Hi, John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Mutsawashe. Mutsawashe has been trading with us from the 26th of April 2021 up until the present date of review, 6th of May 2021. Mutsawashe has maintained a gain of 28.27% and now managing 60,000 US dollars with a daily gain of 1.14%. Looking at this account, we can see Mutsawashe's hit a drawdown 1.93% on the positive territory, followed by 4.08% and 4.26%, and now made 10% on the 30th of April. Mutsawashe is now managing level 3 because on first account was 15,000, 30,000, 60,000, halfway through the funded trader program. So congratulations on your achievement. Looking at your review in terms of trades, Mutsawashe's had a total of 230 trades. And looking at the advanced analytics, Mutsawashe's won 181 out of 230 trades, which represents 79%, and lost 49 out of 230, which represents 21%. So Mutsawashe is actually 79% effective in trading, which is a very good trait to have and very good, and congratulations again. But let's see how this was achieved by looking at the summary of the main pairs taken. Mutsawashe has only traded one pair, just one pair, which is the pound US dollar, and made a total of 119 trades on the long side and 111 on the short side. A total of 6,450 on the long side and a total of 1,124.50 on the short side, which gives us a grand total of $7,129. So Mutsawashe has won 79% and lost 21%. So this is how we have the advanced statistics. And with the 2 months of trading, 10.39% gain in April and 16.2% gain in May. So we're on to a very good start. But let's have a look at some of the trades. And as we can see, the trades, this would definitely raise my eyebrow. We can see 0.50, 0.50, and a bit cheeky on the side, 10 lots, which is forbidden. I don't know how that was possible, but it was probably a system glitch, but I don't know. I honestly don't know how this is possible, but it must have been a system glitch or an oversight or a technical error, but never mind. It was a one-off. It will never happen again. So that was just a software glitch or something's wrong with the server for you to trade that bigger lot size at 0.50 on the first level of the Hidden Talents program on the FTP. And as we can see, small consistent gains, 5 pips, 11 pips, 8 pips, 10 pips, 13 pips. As we can see, the pips are gained on a small, gradual, slow process. So this is what it's all about, small, consistent gains over time. And small, consistent gains will always get you to the end zone in terms of trading. So it's all about discipline and consistency. But I would recommend trading psychology is a key part as well. Take small risks with high rewards. That's a very strong tip I like to share. Always use a stop loss when placing your trades and trade what you understand, what you know, and use very good money management. And the rest will be consistent. But regardless of that, Mutsawashe has produced a very decent account with profit and maintained a balance. So there's no right or wrong here in trading. You can always end up in profit. It's always down to money management, and Mutsawashe has done that by proving the account can be managed and you can trade a certain aggressive way and still have results. But there's always room for improvement. So I wish you all the best and congratulations on your achievement.